नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं एक और वीडियो लेके आया हूँ आपके एचवीएसी पर। बेसिक इन्फॉर्मेशन ऑफ एचवीएसी। लेट्स स्टार्ट। बेसिक इन्फॉर्मेशन ऑफ एचवीएसी में आता है हमारी फुल फॉर्म ऑफ एचवीएसी एंड पार्ट ऑफ द एचवीएसी। फुल फॉर्म ऑफ एचवीएसी हीटिंग, वेंटिलेशन एंड एयर कंडीशनिंग है। एंड वर्किंग प्रिंसिपल ऑफ एचवीएसी इज द थर्मोडायनामिक एंड हीट ट्रांसफर. Use the HVAC to maintain the indoor thermal comfort. The parameter of the thermal comfort is the temperature. Temperature should be 23 degrees Celsius. The humidity 30 to 60%, relative humidity, and airflow rate and air filtration. These are the parameter of the thermal comfort. And all things is depends upon the design and everything, so we need to be man and design, we need to the design according to these parameter to feel fulfill the thermal comfort is good. Then human comfort condition at which most people are likely feel to comfort most of the time, and also called the thermal comfort. Thermal comfort is temperature, and in summer should be 23 degree, and winter 20 degree, and relative humidity 30 to 60 percentage, and fresh air at least 10% of the total design HVAC of premises to maintain the air quality good and all parameter within the limit. Then by using the HVAC systems, we temperature can increase or decrease, humidity of premises can increase or decrease, maintain the proper air filtrations, and proper air movement, and can be treated outside the air for the fresh air to maintain the all parameter of the inside air within limit. And बेसिक इन्फॉर्मेशन में देन हमारा एप्लीकेशन ऑफ एचवीएसी सिस्टम्स हम कहाँ का यूज करते हैं. कमर्शियल्स, बिल्डिंग एंड रेजिडेंशियल्स, इंडस्ट्रियल, educationals and pharma companies and hospitals and malls and offices, home and outlets and data centers. These are the field where we are using the HVAC system to maintain the thermal comfort and other parameter to keep the system healthy operationals. Like the data center always required temperature within the limit to maintain the operations of the all the servers and this equipment like the नेटवर्किंग जो भी सर्वर्स होते हैं उनका टेम्परेचर को हम मेंटेन करते हैं, सो दैट operation should be smoothly. And also the maintain the relative humidity 50 plus minus 5% in the data center, and the commercial building obviously 23 plus minus temperature and 30 to 60% relative humidity. So, all these HVCs, these are the field where using the HVC systems, and also the use the different type of the HVC systems. I will be brief in next video for related the type of HVC system. So we will get the more clarity about the. Then heat transfer. Three method होते हैं. Three methods of the heat transfer. Condenser is the heat transfer of the from heat transfer of from the one substance to other substance by direct contact. It means a condenser heat transfer from the transfer one side to other side through the direct contact, and direct contact means through a conductor. Also depends upon the type of property of conductors, how much time will be take to transfer the heat from one side to other side. And then conventions is the heat transfer through the liquid by the molecule motions. It means in it conventions heat transfer always flow vertically of the fire point. Yeah, means जो भी fumes you can see that. Then other radiation is the energy that the radiated transmitted in form of the ray and waves and particles. It means it will be travel in parallel horizontally to the fire point. So all these are the three method of the heat transfer: conventions, and radiations. Now heat transfer. There are the multiple factors which can consider during the design. We should sorry, these are the multiple factors we should be consider the during the HVAC designs. Let's explain one by one. Human heat, जो हम we should be we should have information related to the how much people will be sitting this area. Accordingly we will consider the heat load of the persons. And then आता है हमारा facade also will major factor of the designing facade. And we should be consider the facade factors, because most of the heat of outside should travel through the facade. So if your facade is a better quality, then heat HVAC load will be reduced, and the field the premises, and you will be you will be so save the major amount of the chiller equipment cost as well as running cost. Then a computer heating, light heat. Then roof factor also consider. Then partition factors should be considered during the HVAC designs. And important factors affect to human comfort. Then humidity, already explained, to humidity should be 30 to 60 percentage relative humidity. Then temperature should be 23 plus minus 1 degree Celsius. Then airflow, then a clean air should be clean air always depends upon the filter design and filter rating. Okay, and the filter air means there are the different type and different type rating of the filters comes in the market, like the like this is suppose 10 micron filter, 3 micron filter, 5 7. If micron is down decrease, then cleaning and air efficiency will be increased. And also filter rating also define on the MERV mode, and if MERV is goes up, then and air quality goes the better. For example, MERV 8 and MERV 13. MERV 8 the air quality is the low, and MERV 13 air quality is high. Then fresh air, at least 10% of the total design HVAC system should be fresh air 10%, so that maintain the all parameters of the inside the air within the upper limit. and all the humans are feel comfort wood. If fresh air is not available in premises, then all humans feel a suffocated area. Noise level depends upon the facade design and mechanical installed design systems. If facade and mechanical design system should be, if we has designed better, then you will feel a better human comfort. Adequate lux level maintain should be depend on the light design and light type, and according to us the lux level at least in workstation 400 lux level should be should be better according to office premises. Then ergonomic designs manufacture the human comfort. All furniture should be according to ergonomic designs, so that employee will be work in your office long times, will be spend more hours in your office and without any injury like back pain, neck pains, extra etc. Then major part of the HVAC systems में compressor, one you can say heart of the HVAC, then condenser fans, and these are the condenser fans, and these are the condenser system. Then at the thermostatic expansion valves, it control the entire fluid control through according to your set point of the HVAC system. Then evaporator is the last step of the HVAC. These are the major part of the HVAC, which play the role to maintain the temperature as per your desires. Deeply explanation will be given in next video, so please please wait for next video. Thank you thank you friends to watching my video, and please like and subscribe my channel. Hope my video hope my video you have fulfilled your requirement. If anything is left, please share your comment. Thank you.